Welcome children. Today I want to start a new lesson. The title of that lesson is Evans tries an O level. O level means ordinary level. The author is Colin Dexter. Colin Dexter. There is a question. Should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education? This question can be answered after the lesson has been explained. First, we should try to know the characters who have made this lesson interesting for all of us. Dramatis personae. Dramatis personae means characters. The secretary of the examinations board, just as CBSE has a secretary, in the same way the institution, the examinations board mentioned in this lesson has also got a secretary. The governor of HM Prison, Oxford. There is a security establishment named HM Prison. The governor of that prison is also an important character. Then James Evans, a prisoner. Then there is a prisoner. His name is James Evans. James Evans. The entire story revolves around him. Then there are two police officers, jail authorities. The former is Mr. Jackson, he is a prison officer. The latter is Mr. Stephens, a prison officer. Both of them are jail authorities. Then there is a person named S. McCleary. He acts as an invigilator. Then there are two characters who are detectives. Mr. Carter, detective superintendent, and Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. So these are some of the characters who have played an important role in this drama or story. All precautions. The word precaution means something done in advance to avoid any future problem. Something done in advance to avoid any future problem. All precautions have been taken to see to it that the O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. O-level German examination has been arranged in the prison. For whom? For the prisoner James Evans. So all preventive measures have been taken to ensure that he does not get any opportunity to escape from that prison. The jail authorities want the examination to be conducted smoothly. They do not want him to give any opportunity to run away from that jail. It was in early March. The month of March, you can say, had just begun. It was in early March when the secretary of the examinations board received the call from Oxford prison. It was early March. Someone from the HM prison, Oxford, wanted to talk to the secretary of the examinations board, and that person, the secretary, had received a call from that prison named Oxford prison. It's a slightly unusual request, governor. Here it is clear that the governor of that prison, HM prison, Oxford, had called the secretary of the examinations board. The secretary of the examinations board is now answering. It's a slightly unusual request. He told the governor that the request made by him was unusual. Unusual means something that does not happen frequently. But I don't see why we shouldn't try to help. But the secretary wanted to help. He did not see any reason why they should not try to help the governor. So he wanted to help him. It was clear. Just the one fellow, you say? He wanted to know whether there was only one candidate. That's it. Chap called Evans. Governor agreed with him and told him that there was only one candidate and his name was Evans. Started night classes in O-level German last September. That prisoner started night classes. In which subject? O-level German, ordinary level German. When did he start his classes? Last September. Says he is dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. If someone is dead keen to do something, he is very much eager to do something. He is very much eager to do something. According to the governor, that prisoner was very much eager to get some kind of academic qualification. Is he any good? Now the secretary wanted to know whether that prisoner was proficient, whether that prisoner had acquired some proficiency in the use of that language which he was learning. He was the only one in the class. The governor told him that Evans was the only candidate in the class. So you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. So the governor was sure that he had had individual tuition all the time. Who? Evans. Would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. If that prisoner had studied that course outside, it was going to be very much expensive for him. Well, let us give him a chance, shall we? Now, the secretary was in favor of giving that prisoner a chance. That's jolly kind of you. The governor was pleased with the answer given by the secretary. He said that was jolly kind of him. It was very kind of him. Kind of whom? The secretary. What exactly is the procedure now? Now, the governor wanted to know the method by which, with the help of which, the secretary wanted to get the examination conducted. Oh, don't worry about that. I will be sending you soon, sending you all the forms and stuff. The secretary told him not to worry on that account because he would be sending him all the necessary forms and stuff which would be required for the purpose of the examination. What is his name, you say, Evans? The secretary wanted to know the name of the prisoner once again, but he himself said, Evans. Was it Evans? James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. The name pronounced by whom? The governor sounded rather grand, impressive. James Roderick Evans. Just one thing, governor. He is not a violent sort of fellow, is he? The secretary wanted to know whether that prisoner was a violent kind of person by nature. I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that. The secretary was not interested in knowing his criminal record or anything like that. He just wanted to know only one thing: whether the criminal took resort to violence or not, whether he was a violent person or not. No, there is no record of violence. The governor assured him that there was no record of violence against that prisoner. Quite a pleasant sort of chap. According to the governor, that prisoner was quite a pleasant, very nice person. They tell me, jail authorities have informed him that that person is a nice person. Bit of a card. Note the word card here. Card here means amazing and funny person. In North American English, this word card is used. The word card has so many different meanings. But in North American English, it means a funny or amazing person. So the governor thought that Evans was a funny person. One of the stars at the Christmas concert. He gave the secretary information that prisoner sang at the Christmas concert. He was one of the stars at the Christmas concert. Concert means a musical program. So Evans sometimes got an opportunity to sing at the Christmas concert. He was one of the stars. Thank you, children.